Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower, tiny flower using a spoon. So I'm taking the yarn and folding the yarn over the spoon like this. As you can see, I'm using my fingers. This is a very simple and easy procedure to make a beautiful crochet tiny flower. You can use this flower in any of your projects. We have to repeat the same procedure till the number will be 25. We have to repeat this 25 times. This is a very simple and easy method, and this will also decrease your depression level and anxiety level, as it is also fun creation. After completing this 25 times, we will cut the extra yarn and take it from the spoon like this, and will knot the sides like this. We have to take the two-sided yarn, the extra yarn that is on the spoon, and we'll make a tight knot here. To make a round flower. This is very simple and easy flower. Please do try it and use in or on your projects, and this will give you a more beauty to your project. Hope you will like my video, and please, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and share it with your friends who are the beginner of crocheting. And there are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well. For more videos, stay tuned. And at last we are going to make a little stitch here to join the two sides of this flower. For more videos, stay tuned and connected. Thank you so much. At the end we are going to use any of or pearl or anything you love, like button or pearl, anything else you want.